Ay, Diyos mio. Hi everyone, my name is Chloe, if you didn't know that yet, and for today I am going to be doing a haul video on my Asian beauty, K-beauty, Japanese beauty, Thai beauty, every makeup product that I have accumulated since the start of summer. I was able to get a few Asian beauty items and I really want to share them with you guys, and this is also going to be like a mixture of a first impression video and haul video because some of these I haven't tried yet. So I'm just going to be starting with K-beauty. So these are the stuff I got from Korea. Let's start first with this 3CE triple shadow in Right Around, and I got this because I have so much warm toned eyeshadows and I just really needed something which is a bit cooler, which is on the cooler side, and this is really pretty, very natural, and I don't really like something that's super like flashy, so this is pretty buildable I think, and I love using this for school, just for school. Okay, next thing that I got is this 3CE lip color thing in the shade Mellow Flower, and honestly I'm not really satisfied with this. I got it because I was so excited how it is swatched, and I don't know why I bought this color because I wouldn't normally buy something like this, and it's kind of warm on me and it's like reddish, and it's just, I don't know why I bought this, but when I swatched it when I was in Korea it looked nice, but now trying it on it doesn't really work as well. But I guess we're just gonna have to figure out what to do with this. Maybe I'm gonna mix it with my other makeup. As for like the lip wear thing, it's pretty drying, and this is when I realized that 3CE is kind of overpriced. I don't really reach for this as much as I do with my other lipsticks because this kind of is a little bit drying and it's hard to put on the lips, kind of like dragging. Okay, wow, this feels like a roast fest. I'm not roasting this. I love 3CE, but this one not really their best product, I guess. Next products that I got were from Laneige, and I really love Laneige because I love 𝐸𝐿𝐵 and she's like the model of Laneige, and I just love 𝐸𝐿𝐵. I love you. That's for her. I was able to buy their two-toned matte lip bar. I got them in the shade number 10 and number 1. Really just pretty. It applies so nicely and it gives you the ombre effect, and I'm a sucker for that. It's just so pretty. Are you seeing that? It's just, that is really super pretty. Especially this one, I use this a lot for school, and this one I think I use this for videos more, or like for parties or something like that. But I love the formula. They're not drying at all, and then they're just very soft on the lips. Well, it's not like your usual velvet powdery lip thing. It's like a lipstick, but it's very hydrating. Even if it's matte, it still kind of has this like satin finish. And they're kind of on the expensive side of K-beauty, but I think, and I can vouch for these, they're worth it. The next brand that I will be talking about is 𝐸𝐵. I got their I'm Multi-Cube in the shade All About Juicy Peach. So this is number 3, and they have this in like brown, red, pink, and peach, and I actually wanted it in pink, but they were out of it, so there's my luck. Look at the packaging, super cute. Like 3 matte shades and then 1 glittery one, and it also comes with like a peach blusher, and I have so much peach blushes, but you can never have enough, right? I also bought their tictoc lip tint cashmere thing, and this got so famous before, and these are all over Shopee, but they were cheaper there, so I just bought them. Got them in the shade Smoky Amber and Tender Rose. As you guys can see, I only have like 2 preferences. It's either brownish or like pink. That's it. And this is how it looks. Their packaging is super cute. I love K-beauty packaging. Is that just me? This feels super gimmicky to me, and I haven't tried anything like this before, but let's try it. Hello? See, I hate products like these because they're so gimmicky to me, and like, what's the point of the clicking thing if it won't even like... This is so sad. I didn't even know that this would be pretty. Okay, there. Oh my god. Oh, word. Worm. Okay, I see. You know what? I think I can get behind this. It's very soft, velvety, usual velvet feeling, very pillowy. I like it. It did not look as brown on me, maybe because I already had like a pink base to start with. But this is very nice, except for the whole clicking thing. I don't like that. This is in the shade Smoky Amber, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how Tender Rose looks in my hand. Let's hope this won't take as long to click. Looks like I got a really pink one, but it's that one right there. And I think the reason for the for this fuzzy thing right here is so it could give like the blurry effect, and I really love that. Love the idea. Did not like the clicking a lot of times bit. I also got their I'm Stick Shadow Shimmer, and let me show you guys why I like this. It's just like a glittery shadow liner thing. Let's see, this is the I'm Stick Shadow Shimmer in number 4 Rose Cape, and it's just really nice. Perfect when you just don't want to put too much effort, but it's still there. That's really pretty, and I just want to like put that on my eye and then just leave. Perfect for, you know, hassle-free days. I also got it in the shade number 3 called Pink Charm. The color is so princess-like. You guys see it? For the next part of this video, I want to mention my Japanese beauty products. I've mentioned Canmake a lot of times in this channel, and so when I went to Thailand and I knew that there were lots of Canmake products there, I made a promise to myself that I had to buy their blushes. Like, I had to buy a lot because I just had to stock up on the blushes because they're so good and they're just perfect. They're just really good, and it's so easy to put on the cheek. It's just so creamy. It's like, even if I sweat, it's still there, and that's just... I got their Canmake Cream Cheek in number 9, and as you guys can see, this has no packaging because I've been using it for school. It's really pretty. It's pink, but it's still buildable, and it's just perfect, you guys. I love Canmake. Please try it for yourself. I think there's Canmake in Landmark. I also got it in number 7, and I also got it in number 16, which is a really interesting color for me. I don't know how this is gonna work when it's on the skin, but I know that it's gonna be good. You guys, this never fails. Look, it's so pretty. I really love the formula. It's like creamy but also powdery and also buildable, and no words. Got the powder version of their blush, and I got it in this pink shade. I had the peachy version, and I bought the pink one because variety is nice. So I got it in this shade, and I also got it in another pink shade, but like with darker pinks. What can I say? I love hoarding. Enough about my Canmake fangirling. Let's talk about Cathy doll. And, Cathy doll is actually made in Thailand, so it's their brand. It was so cheap. It was so extremely cheap. I had to buy 2 of each. You guys know how much I love Cathy doll's skinny brow pencils, and I just love them so much. I had to stock up, and I bought 2. In the Philippines, they cost $250, but in Thailand, because it originated from there, I think it was like 100 pesos or something like that. I also bought eyelight sticks, and these are basically the same sticks as the 𝐸𝐸𝐸 one. But you know what, I like to try different brands. This is number 6, and I love the formula as well. Smooth and creamy. The difference is this is more metallic, and this is more like on the glittery side, so I guess it's still pretty different, but I still like that I have different things to choose from. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Comment anything you guys like. Subscribe if you haven't yet, but no pressure. Do whatever you want. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for listening to me ramble about makeup, and I'll see you in the next one. Au revoir. The whole time I was saying I'm meme, turns out it's I'm Mimi, but there it is. This is my I'm Mimi person. Yes. She loves I'm Meme as much as I do, so there.